Hello friends, welcome to UA Infotech channel. So in this session, I would like to explain Bootstrap 5. Okay, let me share my notepad. So first of all, what is Bootstrap? Okay, what is Bootstrap? And what is the versions of Bootstrap? Or how many versions in Bootstrap? And we have advantages of Bootstrap. So first, coming to this, what is Bootstrap in the sense? Bootstrap is a free open source, okay, and it is the most popular HTML and CSS JavaScript framework. Okay, Uh, it is developed by this Twitter. Okay, so what is the use of this Bootstrap is for creating a responsive web application. So we will use Bootstrap. Okay, and for creating a responsive web application in the sense that is it includes HTML and CSS design based templates. It is commonly used for interface components like buttons and drop downs, typography, accordions, tabs, carousels, models, etc. And along with we have a optional JavaScript frameworks. So coming to these versions, we have nearly 3 versions available in Bootstrap. So first is a Bootstrap 3 and Bootstrap 4 and we have Bootstrap 5. So this is a 5 is the latest version of the Bootstrap. So now we are using 5. Okay. And coming to this advantages of Bootstrap. Okay. So first it supports the responsive design. Okay. So one thing you can comes in your mind, like what is a responsive web application? So first of all, what is a responsive? Okay. So responsive in the sense it is easily adapt each and every screen sizes. Responsive web application in the sense the application will easily adapt every screen sizes, that is mobiles, laptops, tablets, every devices. And one of the greatest advantages of using this Bootstrap is it helps to create responsive web application with faster and easier. Okay, and next thing we have next point is like it saves a lot of development time. Saves a lot of development time. Okay, so BS offers the ready-made code block, so it can it can give a ready-made code, so we can customize our code as per our application requirements. Okay, so it saves a lot of development time for the developers, and we have a consistency here. Okay, so Bootstrap was created by the developer, created by this Twitter. Okay, so it encourages the consistency of the code across the internal tools. Okay, so by giving the developers for the internal centralized code base. Okay, so there we can use we can, with the help of this code, we can develop the Bootstrap very easier. Okay, and Bootstrap have highly customization. Okay, so we can also highly customize the Bootstrap based upon our requirement. Okay, and we have supports. Okay, so it supports multiple devices, like it supports multiple languages. Okay, so most of the frameworks Okay, like it will supports Java, it will supports .NET, it will supports okay, Angular, like this. It supports multiple frameworks, it will supports. Okay, and Bootstrap having this highly documentation, it is very easy to understand.